Have you considered Welsh medium education for your child?
I found it very good, but also challenging at the same time, especially in a rural area where not many people speak Welsh. The teacher's been very supportive in helping us.
I do feel as though I've had access to a different culture by being able to speak Welsh, because I've felt more in tune with my heritage and traditions that have been passed down for generations.
In work, I think speaking Welsh is quite helpful because obviously there's people coming in speaking Welsh. In the future, I would like to be a teacher, a primary school teacher, and so I think Welsh is going to help me a lot.
Well, there's two language and two different opportunities then. You're having twice the advantage of many different things that are available to access within the area. Parents really shouldn't doubt that whether they speak Welsh at home has any effect at all. I think statistics and results really prove that it really doesn't matter.
The future for me seems very promising, knowing that I can speak two languages. It's already helped me to get part-time jobs and everything. It's helped me in the workplace to speak to customers and become closer with my community.
Os ydych chi'n ystyried addysg Gymraeg i'ch plentyn, chwiliwch ar-lein am taith at ddwy iaith.